Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a premium, high-precision cutting tool designed for professional carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes the TS55 FEQF track saw and a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail, enabling accurate, splinter-free cuts right out of the box. Known for its unmatched precision and clean cuts, the TS55 FEQ features a powerful 1,200-watt motor that delivers exceptional cutting performance through hardwood, sheet goods, and laminate materials. One of the standout features is its plunge cutting capability, allowing users to start cuts at any point on the material, ideal for making cutouts, notches, or trim work. The saw works seamlessly with Festool's FS guide rail system, ensuring perfectly straight, repeatable cuts without the need for clamping in many situations. Additionally, the fast fix blade change system improves efficiency and safety, while the riving knife helps prevent kickback during operation. The MMC electronics maintain constant speed under load and provide overload protection. Depth adjustments are precise and simple, making it easy to set accurate cut depths, including a fine adjustment setting. A dust extraction port is integrated for cleaner workspaces when connected to a dust extractor. Compact yet rugged, the TS55 FEQF is ideal for job site and workshop use alike. With this package, users receive professional-grade cutting capability and exceptional build quality, backed by Festool's reputation for durability and innovation in power tools. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile and robust cutting solution designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to work across a variety of materials. This kit includes a powerful 7 to a quarter-inch circular saw specifically designed to cut wood, plastic, metal, and other materials efficiently. The saw comes with a 40-inch track, which enables straight, precise cuts and enhances accuracy on different projects. Equipped with a TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade, this track saw delivers clean, fast cuts and extended blade life, making it suitable for multiple material types without the need for blade changes. Its multi-material cutting capability offers users flexibility, allowing them to work seamlessly on diverse applications such as framing, plumbing, electrical conduit cutting, and more. The tool features a robust motor that provides reliable power and consistent cutting performance. Its ergonomic design offers comfortable handling and control during extended use, reducing fatigue. The track system allows users to guide the saw smoothly along the cutting path, ensuring straight edges and minimizing mistakes. Additionally, the saw kit is engineered for portability and convenience, making it ideal for both job sites and workshop use. With this kit, users receive everything needed for precise cutting, including the saw, track, and blade, offering excellent value. Overall, the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a powerful, flexible, and precise cutting tool that stands out for its ability to handle multiple materials with ease, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J1 is a versatile and precision-engineered 6.5-inch plunge circular saw kit designed for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand clean, accurate cuts. This saw is perfect for tasks that require plunge cuts, such as cutting out sections in the middle of a panel or starting cuts away from the edge. It features a powerful motor that delivers smooth and consistent cutting performance through a variety of materials including plywood, hardwood, laminates, and MDF. One of the standout features of this kit is the included 55-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, splinter-free cuts every time, greatly enhancing accuracy and efficiency. The guide rail system is lightweight, durable, and compatible with other Makita tools, making it a valuable addition to your woodworking setup. The kit also comes with a convenient stackable tool case, which allows for easy storage and transport. This sturdy case protects your saw and accessories, keeping everything organized and ready for the job site or workshop. The compact design of the case allows it to be stacked with other Makita cases, saving valuable space. The Makita SP6000J1 is built with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic handle and smooth plunge action for precise control and reduced fatigue during extended use. Its bright blue finish is instantly recognizable and adds to the professional look of the tool. Whether you're cutting door openings, creating window slots, or working on cabinetry, this Plunge circular saw kit delivers dependable performance and exceptional value. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ is a powerful and highly efficient 18V X2 LXT lithium-ion, 36V, brushless cordless plunge circular saw kit designed for professionals and serious DIYers who need precision, portability, and extended runtime. This advanced plunge saw combines Makita's cutting-edge brushless motor technology with dual 18V batteries, delivering the power and performance of a corded saw without the hassle of cords. It's ideal for making clean, accurate plunge cuts, allowing users to start cuts anywhere on the material, not just from the edges. The 6.1/2-inch blade size is perfect for a variety of cutting applications, including plywood, hardwood, composite materials, and laminates. Thanks to its brushless motor, the saw runs more efficiently, producing less heat and extending battery life. The cordless design enhances mobility, making it ideal for job sites or remote locations where power outlets aren't accessible. This kit comes with two 5.0Ah batteries, ensuring longer runtime and less downtime during demanding projects. Though the 39-inch guide rail, model 199140-0, is sold separately, it perfectly complements this plunge saw by providing straight, splinter-free cuts and enhanced accuracy when working on large panels or sheet goods. Ergonomically designed with comfortable grips and easy depth and bevel adjustments, the XPS01 PTJ allows for precise control and reduced operator fatigue. Whether you're installing flooring, cabinetry, or framing, this cordless plunge circular saw kit delivers reliable, professional-grade performance with the convenience of cordless freedom. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a high-precision, professional-grade tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and tradespeople who demand accuracy and versatility in their cutting projects. Featuring a 6.1/2-inch blade, this track saw delivers clean, smooth cuts with plunge action, allowing users to start cuts at any point on the material, perfect for intricate cuts, bevels, or dados. The plunge mechanism ensures precise control, making it easier to execute complex cuts safely and efficiently. This track saw excels in guiding straight cuts on large panels, plywood, and other sheet goods thanks to its compatibility with Bosch's renowned guide rails, sold separately. The plunge action combined with the guide rail system minimizes splintering, improves cut accuracy, and reduces material waste, which is essential for professional results. Ergonomically designed, the Bosch GKT13-225L features a comfortable handle and smooth trigger control to reduce operator fatigue during extended use. It also includes a dust extraction port to help keep the workspace clean by connecting to a vacuum system, improving visibility and air quality. The saw comes complete with a sturdy carrying case, providing convenient storage and portability for easy transport between job sites or workshops. The compact case protects the tool and accessories, keeping everything organized and ready for immediate use. Durable, reliable, and engineered for precision, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw with plunge action is an essential tool for professionals seeking superior performance and accuracy in their woodworking and construction projects.